bankruptcy stop the repossession of your car or truck? Is there any way to get your vehicle back after it's been repossessed? Let's talk about bankruptcy and repossessions. If you file a bankruptcy case before your automobile is repossessed, it will stop the repossession. Now, in a Chapter 7 case, the repossession will only be stopped for a temporary period of time. You usually have about 2 to 5 months to come up to date with the vehicle to see if you can keep it. But if you can't come up to date with the vehicle after that, you may have to send it back to the creditor. So that would only be potentially a temporary stopping of the repossession, unless you can come back up to date. Now, on a Chapter 13 filing, you also have the mechanism to bring the vehicle back up to date right within the framework of the Chapter 13 repayment plan. So not only in Chapter 13 can you stop the repossession, but you can also set up new payments, many times with a lower payment, that can both bring the vehicle back up to date and serve as your ongoing payment for the vehicle. Now that we've established that you can stop a repossession if you file bankruptcy, let's move on to the next question, and that's whether you can get a vehicle back in any situation after it's already been repossessed. Now, if you want to get a vehicle back after it's already been repossessed, then you're going to have to file under Chapter 13 bankruptcy. And this is because you need a mechanism within the bankruptcy to bring the payments back up to date and to continue with the ongoing payments. The second part that you need to realize if you're trying to get a vehicle back when it's been repossessed is that you can only do this in certain limited time situations. It does not always work. So, for it to work, you're going to have had the vehicle repossessed very recently, and the vehicle has to not already have been sold at an auction or to a new buyer for you to be able to get the vehicle back. If you meet these criteria, you may be able to get a vehicle back if you file Chapter 13, even though it's already been repossessed. So if you're about to face repossession of your vehicles, give us a call because we can help. We can either stop those repossessions and maybe give you a chance to come up to date in the vehicle, or even in limited situations, we may be able to get your vehicle back. So, give us a call for more information.